Okay guys, I am about to go ahead and paint my wing, my ZL1 wing. As you can see, it's right there on the floor. I'm just going to paint it on that box using the Plasti-Dip. Okay, so now I have to obviously install the wing. I just finished painting it. It took a while because I wanted to make sure the paint looked good. It didn't. That Plasti-Dip you have to be kind of careful with. It can kind of clump up, and because it's rubber. So anyway, doing this now. Got to remove these little covers. Actually, not that one. That's not that. I have to remove this. No, not that one either. Alright. These two. Make sure I got the right tool as necessary. Guys, the wing is back on. I think it gives it a, like a unique look with the black. I know I want to get the skirt as well, but I always like the look of the wing. Now again, it still has to cure. The paint will start looking a little bit better than it does. Yeah, so it just has to cure a bit. But all in all, I think it looks a lot better with that wing on it. It just really accents the black more, or the black accents are just, they just kind of pop a little bit more. I'm just going to do the side skirts as well. and of course they're going to be black. And I'm going to try to do them in Plasti Dip as well. Just this is just kind of more of a project than anything. What I'll probably end up doing is taking it once I get the wheels done, have, you know, where they're shiny and everything. I'm going to do the wing and the side skirts, as well as the front lip, and have it all kind of the same luster. I mean, to be honest with you, I think that if I, yeah, so even leaving the front one the way it is, and have it not such a like a high gloss black, it should be fine. I don't need it to be seriously high gloss. So anyway, that's it. That was the install, and got you some of the painting too. I hated that actually. I'm no good at painting. But anyway, that's all I got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, hit the post notification, and I will be bringing more content to you very soon. Have a good day.